said you gotta let the big ones go. That's about 50.
That's right.
That's like 70 centimeters or so.
How heavy do you think that is?
20 pounds.
20 pounds?
Is this already filming or I have
It's
to
filming already.
Yep, that's pretty nice.
Not bad, eh?
Decent. Yeah. Can you take screenshots? This white one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. You got her, yeah. Yep.